Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install NeoForge 1.21.8 on Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get started. Open up browser, then you just need to write NeoForge and click on the neoforged.net. Then select a Minecraft version here and the latest NeoForge version. And then you just need to click here to download the installer and then save it to your desktop or to whatever you like here, right? And the next step, what we need to do here, let's grab some mods. So for example, let's go to curseforge.com, select Minecraft. Then you can sort it out by basically your mod downloader. Just press browse all, then scroll down until you see NeoForge, then select game version here. Then, for example, let's download this mod here. Just click on the mod, go to files, then go to your game version, and then select NeoForge, right? This one. Click on it and then press download and wait for a couple of seconds and your file will be downloaded, as you can see here. Next thing what you need to do here is to install NeoForge. Just completely close Minecraft, then press on NeoForge and then install client with the latest version here. Just press proceed. If for some reason it's not working, you're getting error, it's because Minecraft is not closed properly or you don't have Java 21. And to get Java 21, you just need to go and write Java download and then download a Java 24 or 21, right? Once it's done, I will show you what you need to do next. Then just select Java Edition, installations, then make sure modded is selected, then look for NeoForge and open folder. Then here, look for mods folder. If you don't see mods folder, just create one, just press new and name it mods. And then you just need to drag and drop your mod here. And then simply you just need to launch the game via NeoForge here, press play, and you should have your mods. So that's pretty much it.